Gratitude was the common emotion expressed by Khalees Carter, Chelsea Hammond Ross and Beverly MacDonald after receiving their reallocated medals in Paris, France today.
Khalees Carter says she feels like she has finally been justly rewarded for her efforts after receiving her bronze medal in Paris, France today against the backdrop of the renowned Eiffel Tower. 37-year-old Carter, who was then Khalees Spencer, initially crossed the line fourth in 53.66 seconds in the 400-meter hurdles at the London Olympics in 2012. But she was later upgraded to third after Russian Natalia Anchuk had her results disqualified.
I'm still grateful. I have my son now. He was able to experience that, to see that, just a moment that I won't ever forget. And I'm just happy. Yes, I've lost out in contracts and all of that, but I'm just tremendously grateful.
Chelsea Hammond Ross, who is now 41, was also full of gratitude after receiving her upgraded bronze from the 2008 Games in Beijing, China. Hammond Ross finished that competition fourth with a best mark of 6.79 meters, but was upgraded to bronze after the disqualification of Russian Tatiana Lebedeva after a reanalysis of her anti-doping sample. Lebedeva had initially finished second.
It's bittersweet, but I want to tell you, I am so grateful for this. I'm grateful for the opportunity. We have the backdrop of the Eiffel Tower. Like, that's awesome. So I'm just trying to take it all in.
54-year-old Beverly MacDonald had to wait the longest of them all as she finally received her bronze medal for the 200 meters at the 2000 Olympic Games in Sydney, Australia. MacDonald crossed the line fourth but was upgraded to third after American Marion Jones was disqualified after initially topping the podium.
It's a blessing, and I'm happy that, after 24 years, I said I got fourth, and now it went to a bronze, and it's the audience was great here, but as I said, it's still not the same because you're at the stadium, you have all the three of you guys on the podium, but today's not the same, but you know what, I got a medal, and it's well deserved.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.